You are the rain, you are
Audrey, the past week leading up to this day has been wild, tireless, crazy, and promising for the two of us. But today is the beginning of what will be a happier life with you. A life full of joy, greatness, and filled with love that will only grow stronger as we grow older.
I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry. I'm gonna give you all I have.
Thank you for always at my side, especially at my weakest. Thank you for sacrifice and pagtitiis mo. Lahat ng meron ako at family ko, kung saan kami na ngayon, naging part ka nun.
All the air in me breathes for all of you. The current of your love runs through mine. I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry. Holding your hand till we close our eyes.
Dear Popoms,
All my days
7 years ago, I was independent, happy, and contented person. My only purpose was to strive for my family, for my dreams. Kasi ang sabi ko, kaya ko naman lahat kahit ako lang. And unexpectedly, nakilala kita.
There is no rhyme or reason why. The less it makes sense, the more we try to be closer to being known. I carry with me a part of us. There's nothing I can do or have ever done.
Sa loob ng 7 years, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan. Excitement, happiness, adventure, and challenges na sobrang tinitreasure ko.
The one we all long to be. And why it's so hard to sleep. Heart becomes fire, so that becomes the sea. When we are.
Today, I vow to love you with all my heart. I will love you during conflict and hardship, to respect you and to treasure you, support you with all my strength. I will serve you with joy and cherish the way you serve me.
Getting closer.
Dapat mahal.
I vow to serve you and protect you, give you joy, happiness, and freedom to achieve what you aspire to be. Pon, mahal na mahal kita, and I'm so excited to be your husband.